How to say how many in Irish. The Irish for how many is céimhéad, also used to mean how much. In this video, however, we're going to focus on how many. In English, we follow how many with the plural form of a noun. How many apples did you buy? How many books did you read? How many people were there? However, in Irish, sometimes the singular form of a noun is used where the plural form would be used in English. And after how many is one of these examples. Céimhéad úll a cheannach tú. Céimhéad leabhar a léigh tú. Céimhéad duine a bhí ann. So we're using the singular form of the noun after céimhéad. In fact, what we're really saying is how many apple did you buy? How many book did you read? How many person were there? Here are a few more examples. Céimhéad bliain a chat tú a sasana. Céimhéad lá a chat tú ar siire. Céimhéad uair a chaithime é a rá. Céimhéad is followed by the singular. Another little word which is followed by the singular in Irish is cúpla. Cúpla is the Irish word for a couple. And in English, it's followed by the plural form of a noun. I spent a couple of years in England. I bought a couple of things in the shop. In Irish, it's followed by the singular. Cha me cúpla bliain a sasana. Cheanna me cúpla rud sa siopa. Agus sin é. Maithú.